Welcome! If you've ever run an Instagram story with a sticker, like a poll, question, or emoji slider, you know how fun it is to see your followers' responses. But sometimes, scrolling through those replies can get a little overwhelming, especially if you want to see who responded first or track the conversation in order. Today, I'll show you exactly how to sort your Instagram sticker responses from oldest to newest using the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you posted the story. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look to the top right and tap the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This will open up a list of options. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section keeps track of everything you do on Instagram, from your likes and comments to your story interactions. Scroll down and find Sticker Responses. Tap on it to see all the replies you've received from your story stickers. This is where you can manage and review every response, whether it's from a poll, a question box, or any other interactive sticker. Now, to organize these responses, look for the Sort and Filter option at the top of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll see a few different ways to sort your replies. Choose Sort by Oldest to Newest. Instagram will instantly rearrange your sticker responses, putting the very first replies at the top and the most recent ones at the bottom. This makes it super easy to follow the flow of conversation or make sure you don't miss anyone who responded early on. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can sort your Instagram sticker responses from oldest to newest and keep your interactions organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.